It is pretty wild to think about how I'm here in this cabin in Maine with my friends from the internet. My name is Gillian and I'm from Washington D.C. Quite sure yet. I've always had the interest in it and flew a lot as a kid on airline flights back and forth to London where we lived and then Ireland where my grandparents were. So that kind of always was interesting to me to just be a part of. I would always ask to go up to the front, to the cockpit, talk to the pilots, go plane spotting. I was gifted a discovery flight when I turned 18, just as a fun one-off thing to do, and from there I sparked the interest in flying myself. My airplane is a 1946 Cessna 140, and it has some quirks for sure, and it has some bugs that we had to work out once we bought it, but it's been a really, really neat airplane to learn on. I've always wanted to have my tailwheel endorsement, so it's been a really great tailwheel introduction, I guess. It's pretty tame, it's only got 85 horsepower, so it's the perfect little cheap operating cost time builder for me. Having my own plane has been such a learning experience, and I think this one in particular has shown me the maintenance side. It showed me what it's like to be down for a month getting all sorts of bugs worked out, but it's also been such a cool experience to learn a little bit more about what ownership is like and what maintenance is like on an old plane. I bought the plane in March of my last year and had it in maintenance throughout that last few months of college. So it was a really, really cool exercise in time management to be going up to visit the plane and work on my tailwheel endorsement and then going back down to finish school. There were weeks that school was taking more time and then flight training had to be kind of on a back burner, but there were weeks where school was really light and I didn't really have much to do, and then I could go fly. I really wanted the whole vintage tailwheel airplane package because tailwheel is something I've always been really interested in, and I think it will make me a much sharper pilot. So I'm excited to have that skill to work on and build. It's keeping me humble for now, but I'm really just excited to explore with it a little bit, get into some small airports, go meet some people from the internet in these little small towns. So I think there are a lot of opportunities there. None of my family is in aviation at all. I don't think any generation of the Moore family has ever been in aviation, but I'm really lucky that I got the gene. The aviation community to me at first was completely foreign, no family, no friends. It was something that I was worried I would have to infiltrate and feel like I was inserting myself into, but my experience has been the opposite. It has found me. Friends have come to me, and now, through no doing of my own, I have this wonderful, wonderful worldwide network of people that really are eager to see me succeed, and it's mutual. I'm so excited for everyone that I've met along the way, and I think that might be a unique part of this industry because other jobs, you'll make friends and you'll make connections, but aviation has a factor of, I think, supporting everyone that you meet that seems pretty unique to the flying world, so I feel very lucky to be a part of that.